Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. We got another unboxing, is it called? Unboxing. All these terminologies. Anyways, we're going to unbox one of the, I've done other videos on this, but we're going to do another one, I guess, on the Transamerica, Auto World Transamerica 164 scale slot car set. Comes with Thunderjet Ultra G cars. And this is just a great set. I'm telling you, this is just a great set for the price. You get the bridge, you get the grandstand, you get your curves, your straights. You get everything you need. Plus, you get two box cars. You get the Mercury and the Plymouth 42 Savage cars. These are the Thunderjet Ultra G cars. And this is a great set. These run really nice, too. It's a kind of an offset figure 8, like right here. And you can combine these sets. I've got track listed. You can buy extra track to add to the layout. Now, this set normally retailed for like $149 to $159. I had them for $119, but I'm giving you a special pricing for a while for $109. You get them for $109 with my free shipping. Guys, what a deal. So you get $109, you get the whole set. You get everything you need inside it. Plus, I have like 7 other sets. So if you want to combine this set with any of the other sets you buy, you can do that. I got Back to the Future. I've got Petty and Baker. I have the Indy set. I have the Zombie set. I have the Transamerica set. And I have the Drag Strip set. That's just an awesome set. So you combine all these sets, you can have a mega layout. ProTinkerToys.com.